What if India-Pakistan played as one team with all this abundant talent? Imagine we could have conquered the world, smashed literally everybody. As you can see, I'm dressed in white, a color found both in flags of India as well as Pakistan. That means it's a color of peace. Speaking of which, I request you all to keep your comments within the confinement of civic sense. Please politics को अलग रखिए, क्रिकेट को अलग रखिए. Just because आप नेबर को गालियां दे रहे हैं, आप प्रो नेशनल नहीं बन जाएंगे, और just because आप नेबर की तारीफ कर रहे हैं, उससे आप एंटी नेशनल भी नहीं बनेंगे. Thank you very much. Do let me know your thoughts and views on YouTube. Yes, only on YouTube, not anywhere else, please. So let's start on my journey to making an India-Pakistan 11. बट उससे पहले दो डिस्क्लेमर्स. नंबर 1, ये वनडे इंटरनेशनल की टीम्स है, टेस्ट क्रिकेट नहीं है, T20 नहीं है, वनडे इंटरनेशनल्स. एंड आई हैव ओनली कंसीडर्ड प्लेयर्स हु हैव मेड देयर डेब्यू इन 1985 और लेटर, उससे पहले के नहीं. दैट मींस द ग्रेट इमरान खान, कपिल देव, जावेद मियांदाद, जहीर अब्बास, द ग्रेट्स आई हैव नॉट कंसीडर्ड हियर. सो हियर इज माय लिस्ट ऑफ प्लेयर्स. एट नंबर 1, वैसे तो नाम ही काफी है, बट इफ यू इंसिस्ट, 18,000 runs at an average of 45. First man to hit a double century in ODIs, 62 Man of the Match awards, and even 150 wickets while bowling. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. At number 2, I contemplated a lot, really a lot, between Saeed Anwar, Saurav Ganguly and Virender Sehwag. But this man's number were way ahead of all of these three greats. At an average of 49, 29 centuries, 3 double centuries, Rohit Sharma. At number 3 is a man with highest number of centuries in run chases. Even otherwise, man with second highest centuries at 43, Bradmanish average of 59, and a man to have reached fastest to 11,000 runs, the one and only Virat Kohli. Number 4 position in a one-day international team is very critical, for it has to build the innings. शायद 2019 का वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया जीत जाती है अगर हमारे पास बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एक नंबर 4 होता. Anyways, it's a different story. Coming back to the India Pak team, I had some great choices. Mohammad Azharuddin, Inzamam ul Haq, Yunus Khan, Rahul Dravid, but I've opted to go with someone younger. Played only 74 matches, but I've already scored 3,000 plus runs and 11 centuries, second highest in Pakistan, actually third highest. And the highest average amongst all Pakistani batsmen so far, 54, the great, already great Babar Azam. At number 5, also I had some great choices. I was contemplating between Misbah ul Haq, Yuvraj Singh and Mohammad Yusuf. But numbers, when I compared the three, and also the style of batting, were heavily skewed in favor of Mohammad Yusuf. With an average of 42 and 15 centuries batting so low on the order, I just had to pick him. At number 6 is an extremely special player with an average of 50 and over 10,000 runs. Winning captain of Champions Trophy, T20 World Cup and the 50-over World Cup, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who will incidentally not be just my wicketkeeper but also my captain. At number 7 is not a cricketer but a dynamite who can change any game whenever he wants to. With over 8,000 runs at a strike rate of 116, world record for highest number of sixers. In bowling, close to 400 wickets, Lala Aka Shahid Afridi. At number 8 is the greatest fast bowler, not just in India, Pakistan, but across the world, with over 500 one-day international wickets, and that too at an economy rate of under 4 runs and over. The one and only, the greatest Wasim Akram. At number 9 is a very special bowler, inventor of the Dusra, have taken hat-tricks twice. Fastest to 100, 150, 200 and 250 wickets, the one and only Saqlain Mushtaq. At number 10 is the king of reverse swing with over 400 wickets at a strike rate of just 30. 5 wickets in a match 13 times, the one and only Wakan Yunus. At number 11, I wanted a really quick impact bowler. Obviously, first name that came to my mind had to be Shoaib Akhtar. But I've chosen to go with someone who's not as quick as Shoaib Akhtar is, but has a better economy rate and still pretty nippy. Jasprit Bumrah. don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to leave your comments on YouTube. Yes, I'm reiterating. Please leave your comments and views only on YouTube. Thank you so much. May God bless you with virtues of faith and patience. Sayonara.